Hello friends, welcome to Digitgurus English Speaking, your guide to learning English the easy way. Today we are going to learn daily use cleaning and household chores verbs that you can use in your daily English conversation. Sweep, to clean a surface by brushing away dirt. Mop, to clean the floor using a wet or damp mop. Wipe, to clean or dry by rubbing with a cloth. Dust, to remove dust particles from surfaces. Scrub, to clean by rubbing hard with a brush. Rinse, to wash something with clean water. Polish, to make a surface smooth and shiny. Iron, to remove wrinkles from clothes using heat. Fold, to bend clothes or paper neatly. Vacuum, to clean using a vacuum cleaner. Now, don't forget to write down this chart. It will be your quick reference for improving fluency and confidence while speaking English. These verbs will help you describe actions clearly and sound more fluent while speaking English. Friends, that's it for today. Please subscribe our Digitgurus English Speaking for more videos like this. Thank you very much.